Hey guys, this is Akash here, PMO at Patam Digital Technologies. Back with the requirement on the game developers, guys. We are looking for the game developers to build some amazing games in the pipeline. So, what are the key skills which you'll be looking at for this particular role? So, when it comes to game developer, when it comes to programming skills, initially we'll be looking at someone who's very strong in C++ or Java. When it comes to Unity, it's the C sharp guys. And game engines like Unity and Unreal as such. These are the game tools which we'll be using across, and the game engines what we'll be talking across will be like OpenGL, Unity, Game Makers, and also the prior experience in designing the games. The animation in the 2D and 3D would be preferred as well, right? And a deep understanding of the gameplay theories would be a great advantage for this particular role which we'll be looking at for the game developer guys. So if you have the skills, do apply at Patam Digital Technologies for the game developer. Thank you.